Hey girl, so let's get into today's video. Now I am trying to get over a cold, so my voice is horrible in this voiceover. But anyways, this wig is a super fitted glueless lace frontal wig that comes with a real invisible HD lace, clean bleached knots, super natural hairline as you can see, and deep parting on this wig. This wig also comes with natural curly edges, so you don't have to worry about having baby hairs or trying to create baby hairs if you wanted that look for this particular wig. So I'm going to be pulling out the baby hairs and showing you girls how I style these baby hairs and get this wig to look like it's growing from my scalp literally. So let's get into it. Okay, so this product that I'm using is a product I've used in the last 2 wig videos. I'm going to leave the name of this product below in the description part, but basically I am using this new spray to secure my wig down instead of the 𝐻𝐸 spray, and honestly I think this is a lot better. This spray can be found at your local beauty supply store. So basically what I'm doing is pulling down the baby hairs or pulling out my baby hairs and applying the hairspray directly on the lace. Now I prefer this method because it keeps the hairline from looking crunchy or getting real stiff and hard. So then I go in with a blow dryer just to help secure that wig, and as you can see, it's not going nowhere. So this spray definitely holds just as good as the 𝐻𝐸 hairspray, but a lot better. So now it's time to cut this super clear invisible HD lace. As you can see, it blends into my skin so well. I honestly had a little bit of trouble trying to cut the lace only because I couldn't find it, like I couldn't really see it. So this is a true HD invisible clear lace frontal wig. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. So now that I got the lace pretty much removed, I'm going to show you girls what the parting space do. Now this is a deep parting lace frontal wig, so basically meaning girl, you get 6 inches or more of parting space. So regardless of where you part this wig, you're going to get scalp, baby, and you're going to get a supernatural hairline, a supernatural parting space. So I'm going to be doing a curved C part with this wig with some laid baby hairs, of course. Okay girls, so now it's time to lay these baby hairs. Keep in mind this wig did come with baby hairs already in this wig. And let me just say this from somebody who's been wearing wigs for a long time. These pre-baby hairs is such an upgrade from what they used to look like. So I did pull the baby hairs out. Now I'm just curling the baby hairs, one section going up and the other section going down. Now it was super easy to blend these baby hairs into my hairline, as you can see, and I do honestly prefer to flip my baby hairs under. I honestly wanted to see what the difference was because I couldn't figure it out, but when you flip your baby hairs going up, it just makes the baby hairs blend more smoother into the hairline, so you don't have to do like a whole lot of swooping basically.
Come over and check up on it. Got it, flown it. Boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it.
Girl, this wig is so pretty. I love the hairline and the baby hairs on this wig. So now it is time to get into defining the curls on this wig. Now honestly, you can wear this wig in its original texture, which is more of this big fluffy curl look, or you can define the curls by simply adding some water and leave-in conditioner and detangle the hair, and you will get these beautiful loose ringlet curls. So I'm just going to continue doing such, and I'm just going to also be sectioning out the hair just to make sure I get every single strand. Now I am going in with some Cantu curling mousse just to help define the curls just a little bit more, and then to give more definition to the curls and help them stay in place, I'm going to scrunch the hair with a towel.
Check up on it. Got it, flown it. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Got it, flown it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Got it, flown it. Boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Come over and 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 check up on it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it.
Okay, so I decided to come back and show you girls what the hair looks like when it is completely dry. So to get a bigger, fluffier look with this particular wig, I'm going to just take my hands and go in a circular motion just to fluff up the hair a little bit, because you girls know I love myself some big hair. So girl, yes, this is definitely a wig that you need in your collection. Look at how beautiful these curls are, and they're super soft. Look at that. Y'all, this hairline is A1 on this wig. Lace is invisible. Curls is popping and juicy. It's definitely giving, this is your real hair. Girl, look at that. So cute. So definitely make sure you check out that description bar, because everything that you need to know about this wig and what I used in this video will be in that description bar. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you girls in the next one.